Oh, start a video and Sammy starts barking. We gotta give her a treat. Oh, so this morning it is chilly outside. I just got up. Wind's blowing. Knocked over my tomato plant. You think I'd learn? You think I'd learn? Knocked all these tomatoes off. Got some ripe ones though. I'm gonna fry the green ones. Fried green tomatoes. No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. But I'm gonna eat them. But first, before the day's activities, the second day of the event here in the RV park, before I get... I see you, Sammy. I gave you a treat. But before I gotta do something with my hair and get ready for the day. But before I do that, I gotta remember the chicken. So the chicken I cooked in the crock pot. This is everything that I had left over. So I've got to divvy it up, cut it up, because there's some big breast in there. So I'm gonna cut it up, shred it up. Brought my vacuum sealer in here. And I think these are the bags that came with it. So I'm going to use these first because they're a pretty good bag, and vacuum seal that and get it in the freezer. Gotta do that first before I forget. I'm going to see if I can use these little bags. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Let's see. Wing. Oh, too sleepy to do this today, but I got to do it this morning because that's about all the time that I have this morning. Okay, I'm going to do this in batches because I'm going to run out of a cutting board. That noise you hear in the background is my ice maker. I got to get caught up on ice. A lot of stuff I need to do today. But today is play day too. Called having muffins for breakfast, and then I'm gonna use this bag. This is gonna be the chicken enchilada stuffing here. I think I got enough for several enchiladas. And I will vacuum seal them all at the same time in a little bit. Okay, I got 4 bags. So you could look at this as 4 different meals, which we already ate one. But if I make enchiladas with one of these, we'll have probably 2 days, if not 3 days, on this meal. So if I said I would have leftovers for each one of these for 2 days, so that's going to be 8 meals, and we already ate one, so that was 9 meals, and it was only 6 something. I can't remember what it was, but you know, that's pretty cheap. That is pretty cheap. Oops, and I just dropped a little bit out of that bag that Sammy will enjoy. Just gonna wipe these off. And then I'm going to vacuum seal them. Alright, they're going in the freezer. I still got to clean this out. But I will do that. I will put it on my list. This is the leftover chili we had. So I will make one meal out of this before we head out. Yeah. Alright, chicken's in the freezer. Good morning. I've already gone and ate breakfast. We had, this is the second day of the event here at the RV park. And today we had muffins, and it's like, I don't know, 49, 50 degrees outside. It's cold. And it's 10 o'clock, And it's an outdoor event this morning, so we'll see how many people show up. It's windy. That's the problem. We'll see how many people actually show up for the cow patty toss. Yeah, have you ever done that? I don't know where, when, or why anybody would do that, but yeah, I did that a lot when I was a kid. They had an event at where my grandmother lived in Texas, and I think the town was turning 100 years old, and my dad and my uncle went, and we did the cow patty toss. I don't know why that's such a thing, but we're doing it. I don't know if you win prizes or anything, if you win, or I don't even know, but if there's less people, then I guess you got a better shot at winning, huh? And how many people want to toss a cow patty? Probably not very many. The only gloves I brought were these. I can always throw these in the wash. So it looks like there's about 4 or 5 people up here. That's it. Fake. Real.
Yeah, those are real.
Yeah, take a video.
Fake over here.
Yeah. These are light?
Yeah, very light.
Very light. Those are real.
Hey!
I threw real ones.
Oops, excuse me. Poker players.
Well, it's these people with 10 pages. It takes a while.
Well, you know about them in poker, don't you?
But it's a
You know about
nice
the two of
day.
them?
The 2 of these people?
Yeah, those.
No.
Exactly, you're used to it.
I'm going to have to make it easier, I think.
1.
He's the target.
Nope.
Okay, I'm out. Oh no, I got 2 more.
I don't know where one went, but I don't care.
Okay, now I'm out.
Woohoo!
Oh my God, yeah. Problem 2.
Woo!
Almost.
1 out of 3.
This is the first time?
Yeah.
That's
Got 3 already.
Oh.
Megan went that way.
Oh. I've already had a shot of tequila and a shot of melon.
Ah.
And then the 10 of clubs twice now.
You want me to mix them up a little bit?
Pair of 8. I need another 8, baby.
You need another 8?
These are permanent bones on their skull. So these are not antlers, so it's not a deer. It is a pronghorn. That's a good guess. Good job.
Ooh, an air fryer.
I'll have to come back tomorrow and buy more tickets. I did it yesterday, I did it today. I can't, break with tradition. Yeah, I put one in all the preserves things. There's 3 different.
We're going to do 15 questions, and if we have a tie, we have a tiebreaker question.
Which is awesome.